Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about very important question. Is Java still worth learning in 2025? The tech world is changing rapidly. And many of you might be wondering if Java is still a relevant and valuable skill to learn. Let me tell you, the answer is yes. Let's explore why. First reason is Java is the backbone of enterprise application. Java has been around more than 25 years, and yet it continues to power some of the world's largest companies, including Amazon, Google, Netflix, and Twitter. And industries like banking, finance, healthcare, and government still heavily rely on Java for their applications. Why? Because Java is secure, stable, and scalable. Another reason, Java and Android development. If you are interested in mobile app development, you should know that Java is still one of the core language for Android apps. Even though Kotlin is becoming popular, many legacy application and frameworks are built in Java, and developers with Java skills are always in demand in Android ecosystem. Now, there is another reason. Java offers strong career growth and job opportunities. One of the biggest reasons to learn Java is the job market. Companies all over the world are looking for Java developers, especially for the backend development, cloud computing, and microservices. If you learn Java along with Spring Boot, Docker, and Kubernetes, you will have a huge advantage in the job market. Now, there is another reason Java is perfect for full stack development. If you want to become a full stack developer, Java is great choice. You can use Java with Spring Boot for the backend and Angular or React for the front end to build modern web application. Many startups and enterprises use this combination to develop scalable applications. And now, Java and cloud computing. The future of software development in the cloud. Java is widely used in cloud service like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. And frameworks like Spring Boot, Quarkus, and Micronaut are making Java more efficient for microservices and cloud based applications. If you want to work in cloud computing, Java is an excellent choice. Now, another reason, Java secure and stable. Java is known for its high security and reliability, which is why it's used in large scale applications that require data protection and stability, whether it's a banking system, healthcare application, or government database. Java ensures that applications run securely and smoothly. Then now, what's your final thoughts? Should you learn Java in 2025? If you want a stable career in backend development, enterprise application, or cloud computing, Java is the one of the best choice. If you are interested in Android development, Java is still valuable, though learning Kotlin alongside can be helpful. For modern cloud-based applications, learning Java with Spring Boot, Docker, and Kubernetes will make you highly employable. Then now, Java is not dying, it's evolving. So, my advice to all of you is this. If you want to build a strong career in software development, Java is absolutely worth in 2025 and beyond. Now, I am going to end this session. Thank you and happy coding.